Hello, morning, brother. One moment, huh? Hello, my friend. Morning, morning. Nice to see you. So early, huh? Okay, Okay, I'm actually quite interested in coin though. I think coin is looking quite amazing. Yeah, coin looks like it's going to break out quite soon. Maybe I'll set alarm slightly a little bit higher. Okay. Any good zone for us to buy or not? I see you send LVP another challenge. Yes, my friend. Actually, it looks quite good though. It really looks quite good. A lot better than, the previous structures all around here. If you really go and look, you don't see a corrective structure in this area. You know? Although you do see one like a very, very small one over here and then it doesn't go. But then this one is huge though. That's why I'm thinking this one looks like a good shot, and especially you go and see, RSI, the divergence, really gao gao that kind. Hello, Hazel, nice to see you. Yeah, that's why I, took up another challenge again. Do you shot it? Or, later another zero, don't know how many, 02, 03. You join in a bit. Okay, okay, can. Not bad, not bad. But the overall market does look like it will have some strength though. Oh, you're helping me to keep track. Nice, nice. Yeah, I'm the type I don't keep track of all this. Uh, I like whatever trades I took, right, for the week, I will review them. After I review them, then I forget about it already. Palantir also looks like more upside, but RBLX looks like more downside though. Not too sure. We try again. Try one more time. Now, one draw, one loss. Okay, the next one will be a win. Yes, let me see. I think no more already. Just now I also bought a very, very small size only. Yeah, just a very, very small one. I think like maybe 0.3% or something. Hopefully it will fire off lah. Hey, Hazel, what stock? What stock? Are those that you try to spot a triangle? I added all of them into my watch list. The most perfect one is APA, if I'm not wrong. Shopify also looks like another good one to short. Yeah, I think Hazel same like me. I see liao, I also forget. I think partly because Hazel also trade very long already. That's why she's very, very used to the market. I think I myself also like that. Normally I review for 1 week and that's it. You review for fun. Because sometimes I do see that I myself, I do some mistake, maybe too aggressive. A lot of times, my mistake is because I'm too aggressive. Like right now, GDP is good, ADP is good, but then I still go in short, RBLX. Apps, okay, let me see. Okay, I stop at McDonald. Okay. Uh, this shot, I think that can shot. I think maybe can shot, but the risk might be a little bit higher. It's actually not bad. Not bad for a shot. Yeah, because this area is a little bit complex, so I'm not too sure whether is this like the correction for upside, or this can be the impulse, this can be the correction. This one can be a correction, and then we'll have one more impulse to the downside. So this is the part that I'm not not very sure about. But I do like how this part is developing. So possible, we'll chop around a little bit, and then it might starts to dump already. Yeah, this stock a little bit. It looks a little difficult to trade though, because the structures a lot of times is a little bit more complex, I guess. Meta. Let's see, Meta. Meta possible, but then this short, right, you need to be careful, huh? Today after market close, there's earnings. Okay? And I do think that Meta likely, the earnings, I think today we'll close somewhere around the same price. If not, just a little bit higher. And then doing earnings, it would spike down. Then after it come back to the same level before next few days we get a breakout. I think so lah. IBM nothing. Because shorting of the market is fun, you know or not? Because sometimes when you short, the stock can just suddenly dump like crazy. In your trading career, you definitely meet one time that you short something, and then out of a sudden there's a very bad news about the stock, and then when you open up your account, suddenly the thing just rock bottom. You'll be extremely happy. Looks like let me see. The market like really not much different from last week though. What can we trade? Hazel, do you short AMD or not? Wait, possible SE. SE possible a nice shot. Okay, still got time until earnings, about 2 weeks. Yeah, wait for their breakout, maybe can start shorting. Okay, you never shot AMD. Okay, okay. I thought you were going short. LAMD still not done though. Need to wait a little bit longer, but then earnings is also coming. Uh, 5th, so next Tuesday. Next Tuesday. Yeah, there's a lot of earnings this week, so it's going to be a little bit more difficult to trade. Tomorrow we still got FOMC. 2 a.m. guys. Sophie. VST nothing. Oh, what happened to Fiverr? Earnings and then it dumped. Robin Hood. Another good one to short. Robin Hood, huh? Possible for a short. Hey, wait. But then got earnings. Okay, today also after market close got earnings. Skip. But then likely I think this earning looks like it will dump though. It looks like it will dump. Sure. Hazel, you can go and eat first, no problem. I'm also scanning through and then see what can we, what can we trade? Or how are we going to manage our position? Hey, market open liao. Today I scanned too slow. I think I came late. How's SPY? SPY is coming down. SPY almost breaking out of the trend line already. Nvidia, okay. Oh, AMD dropping even more. Apple, nothing. Amazon also looks like a good shot, but then we have a, trend line support over here. So this is something that shorting Amazon, I don't think it will go very far though. Oh, nice. Meta coming down. Google, very different. Microsoft also coming down. How about Tesla? Tesla going up. Fantastic. Okay, Tesla and Google are going up. But the rest of the magnificents are all going down. Adobe. My god, Adobe. Bad trade. Are we out already? Oh yes, out liao. Oh, Adobe. Wow, this Adobe, I really got no luck with Adobe so many times already. Really, like super a lot of times. Adobe is one of my worst trade. 369.5. Oh, BLX still. Come on, go down, please. Disney still going down. PayPal. Okay, PayPal just released earnings. Oh, yesterday. Oh, but then it's not recovering, So PayPal, we can keep a lookout. If we get some consolidation here, likely, I think PayPal can short though. Okay, TSM, EMAT, QCOM, AVGO, nothing. Okay, Apple looks like it's recovering a little bit. AMD also looks like recovering. Nvidia, come on, Tesla, go up. Don't go down anymore. How about coin? Okay, coin rejected. MSTR coming into the zone now. But then MSTR, yeah, earnings tomorrow. Same with coin. Coin also earnings tomorrow. Yes, also have earnings tomorrow. My God. Oh, CRM also. Okay, let me see. CRM. Ah, yeah, wasted. Okay, CRM. UNH still dropping. Wow. Visa. Mid earnings. Do you put stop limit and stop at the same price? Yes, usually I just put the same price. Uh yes, I always put at the same price. By right, your limit right should be slightly, if you're long, it should be wait let me see By right, the trigger price should be slightly higher if you're long. But then usually I just set the same amount. Oh, slip through. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, sometimes market just open, right? It's possible. It's possible. Then and towards before market close, it's also this type of situation can occur. These are the two timing. Then the next one will be after market hours. But so far it still looks okay though. It still looks okay. But I'm not too sure what happened suddenly. Yeah, I think because of the Figma news all that, that's why it has a spike down. Stop. You can give it a try. You can give it a try. Because for me, usually I just use stop limit. Because stop right, you won't be triggered outside market hours though. Yes, you need the stop limit. Because the stop right, stop is like a market order, so it will only be triggered or or filled when the market is open. When it's closed, it will not be triggered. Yeah, that's why I normally only use a stop limit. Why you high, my friend? For you, fire off แล้ว Mr. William, you're so popular. Everybody remembers you. Good or not, your trade? Wow, coin alarm triggered, but then coin cannot take like tomorrow there's earnings. D. Nothing. Are you inside or not? Are you inside MRVL Marvel? I think you are inside. I see you are so happy. Nice, brother. Oh, send me message. Okay. Oyo. Got a lot of new one already. Nice. Okay, OXY, I'm still waiting, I'm waiting for one more move down, then we can take PXX. No, PSX, right? That one failed already. That one is not a running triangle. And then yes, Exxon is nice. I'm also looking at that. Yes, one more leg down. Exxon and OXY. Nice. Oh, you got a call option next 2 weeks expire. Okay lah, brother. Good deal lor. Big profit already. Very nice. Become the next AMD. Really, this stock can become the next AMD. Are you looking at that? HP garbage. HP. Yeah, it's a little bit slow, so we have to wait for a little bit more. Yeah, because this breakout is a structure, it's not those flag that we always look out for. So we have to wait for a little bit. Hello, ... Have faith, Mr. William. Can have faith. How is Celsius doing? Let me see. Okay, also a bit slow. App looked like going to explode soon. App, okay. Let's go and see. What is QR? But QR soon. What is QR? Hey, it's not loading. App. Hello? Oh, quarter report. Okay. Quarter report soon. This one look like explode to the downside, brother. Okay, but this stock is a little bit different. The way it move, possible explode to the upside. You see this one, and this one looks a little bit similar though. And then after the earnings report, it just fire off. Okay, coming soon, coming soon. Yeah, no, but then I don't have a setup there. This part, the earnings is on 6 next Wednesday. Only left a few days. 1 week. One versus one. Hey, it's quite possible. You look here, just look at this. That looks exactly the same thing. You see, this one and this one looks quite similar though. Then after it got earnings, then suddenly just fire off. Now all day MA stick together. Yeah. Okay, okay. All stick together. Okay, okay. I understand what you mean. Okay, nice. All stick together. And it's uptrend. Okay, okay, can. Yeah, but then earnings coming soon. I need to give it a miss, Earnings we don't know where it will go to. William, you use cash account, is it? If you use cash account, I think you can do that. You don't, William, you say so much, and after you say you don't bet on earnings. What? I thought you are, ready to go in, then after you want to bet on earnings, then make sure you fire off. Okay, Nvidia still strong, AMD also. Let me see. I think possible we can take a day trade. But tomorrow we got FOMC. That's the thing. Hiya. Yeah lah, Mr. William, you also know then after you still say so much about the app, say you explode all that, then after that you tell me you never take the trade, you are not going to speculate. I like, what? Really? Yeah, same as me lah. I also don't speculate earnings. Sometimes, if I have a lot of profit, I don't mind letting a little bit of it run. But then if I don't have, right, I would rather just give it a skip. FOMC today, man? No lah, not today, right? Today, right? Today or tomorrow? Oh, yes. Today, FOMC. Okay, yes. 2 a.m., my friends. I can stay up until 2 a.m. or not? Oh, lucky Richard is here. But like that, need to shift stop loss here. Later FOMC 2 a.m. Okay. This week we still left with what? We left with after that Friday NFP and unemployment rate. Okay, the interest rate I think likely, they won't cut. Then but I don't know how's the reaction. What will happen to the market? For now, looks quite neutral though. We can be up, can be down. So guys, we need to tighten up our stop losses for some position. Buy big small. Yeah, FOMC difficult to tell lah. Huh? I think most important is that what Powell will say later on. So if he's bullish in the market, likely we'll see more upside. But then if he's bearish, right, GG my friend. I think the market wouldn't react so well. But if you want to wait for FOMC, you have to stay all the way until about 2:30 a.m. It's going to be quite late now. Okay, guys, FOMC later on. So we need to be a little bit more careful. Okay lah, Google we can shift to break even. Let me shift for Google. Oi. Okay, done. Microsoft. Teams flying. Nice. Is there earnings? Oh, nice, nice. Very, very, very nice. Sophia. Let's see, Sophie. Sophie, I will wait though. Yesterday, is the release of the earnings, but then it's not recovering. So usually when I see this, I will wait at least another 2 days to 3 days before I see whether it's a good buy or not. Because like right now you can see it's also still not recovering. So it's not a very, very good sign. Then the next one is Marvel. Marvel fire off liao lo. Gone already. Yep, gone already. So you need to wait for pullback before start buying. SBUX. SBUX. Oh, after earnings also dumb, huh? The earnings is also yesterday though. Starbucks. Yeah, I will also wait for another 2 days, 3 days before I decide what to do with Starbucks. Right now, this huge dumb, like scary though. GRR. What is this? Gorilla Technology. Possibly more downside. Yeah, this one looks like more downside though. Support them high, then after that they will start to fly. Starbucks can start to fly. MRK bounce back a bit. MRK. Yes, right now if there's consolidation, I might consider to buy. It's not bad, at least this after earnings, it starts to bounce back. Something better than just now the few that we saw. I also have no idea though. I don't normally trade Starbucks though. I think the last time I traded it here, October 2024. Yeah, Starbucks is not a stock that I trade a lot. Once in a while, I see very nice opportunity. Maybe I will do a little bit of trade on Starbucks because Starbucks move quite slow. I feel that it moves a bit quite slow. Only sometimes it moves very, very fast, but most of the time it just stuck there for a long, long time. If my contribution to Starbucks can move the stock, I will be so happy though. 1 cup, 1 million. Yeah, not sure what happened to Starbucks, but Starbucks consecutively 2 times already it missed earnings. Previously all the earnings reports are quite bad though, looks like. Yeah, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 already. Missed earnings 6 times since January 2024. Yeah, Starbucks looks like more downside. It's quite scary. SRPT. But I think earnings coming like. Yep, today, is it reported already? How come? What is this dash dash? But there's earnings though. Only this is very weird. How come the earnings there's like this equal sign there? What is that? What does that mean? They never report their earnings. Yeah, sure. This type of stock, I don't know how to advise you though. And today there's also earnings. I'm not too sure whether it's after market hours or before once market open. It looks like it dumbed down a lot, so possible for relief rally or some sort of recovery. But then I don't know how much it can recover. That's the thing. Yeah, you can go and check it. This is like my first time looking at earnings with this like equal sign. I don't know what does that mean. Oops, I clicked wrongly. How come? Why there's this equal sign there? I'm also quite curious. Why is that? My God, so like. Estimated approximately. Oh, okay. These numbers are not yet confirmed results, but market expectation for future reporting period. No idea what this mean though. Yeah, just try to be careful on this. I think you go and do more research about this, equal sign on the earnings. Because over here it didn't say whether it's after market open or after market close. Just be careful, if they fail to file their earnings report, possibly the stock can dump, Okay, guys, I need to do some position management first because we have FOMC later on. Which one should I manage? Tesla, if we shift too tight, can we shift Tesla or not? Okay, Celsius definitely I think we can shift already. Yeah, I think we shift Celsius. Okay, next I think I want to manage Google also. Let's see. Okay, Google is like that. How about the rest? Meta still dumping. Google. Yeah, Google, I think I will just leave it. Yeah, the rest I don't think we can move much though. Tesla definitely we need to give it a bit of room. Oh, Amazon coming down. Spy, Spy also looks like it's going to go down though. What is that? VRTX. VRTX. Oh, see live. Okay, can. Wow, you saying it a lot, huh? Okay. Hazel, I come back to you shortly on all those. Okay, I come back to you shortly on those. I think one of it looks quite good though. Everything looks like triangle to you now. Okay. Very nice, Rick. Very nice, Rick. Congratulations, my friend. Okay, you still got time. Monday is the earnings after market close. No issue, no issue, my friend. Fun, huh? MBIS. What is MBIS? NBIS. This stock looks like it's going up. Yeah, possibly more upside. Looks quite good though. Yeah, at least for the hourly, 4 hourly time frame, it looks like more upside. Hopefully, TP magic number by earnings. Okay, okay, can. I hope you also, can TP by the magic number. It will be so good though. SRPT. Now, same thing. This stock is this the one that we saw? Yes, I think this is the stock that we saw. The earnings is still not out yet though. I also don't know whether it's morning or after market close. Yeah, you have to go and do research on this. Sure, okay? Why are sure you have any idea now? How come the stock is like that? No reporting timing. It's not showing whether uh it should be reported already if it's after market hours, after market open. If not, it should be after market close. But then there's no details at all. Now you also don't know. Okay, dangerous though like that. Yeah, I think you wait until tomorrow. When the report is out already, then you decide, whether you want to take the trade or not. Okay, Tesla still going up. Well, it's difficult to tell though today for the FOMC. I don't even know whether it will go up or down. But okay, some sell off before FOMC is really, really normal. Only Meta. Meta, I think, likely, I think you will see if market can close around the same level, I think earnings you will see it coming down, spike down. After that, go back to the same level around here before, the next day or the next few days it starts to go up. Google hopefully can go up, after FOMC. Microsoft, no idea. PANW, I think it tanked a lot, right? Yes, just now I was scanning through, I remember this stock, tanked quite a lot. How come? There's no earnings, right? Yes, no earnings, but how come? Oh, the earnings is long. So that means there's a bad news already. Acquire CyberArk software for 25 billion. Offering 45 million, I think. Offering 45 in cash and shares. Oh, what happened? Is it down because of this news? It sounds weird though. Like, yeah, maybe you can read this. What happened? This news doesn't give any story. Skip. Yeah, you have to go and find out more about this. Something got to do with the merger and acquisition. Not too sure, you know. Oh, how come they? What did they do? Yeah, they go and acquire CyberArk software, but then it tanked. So you go and research more on that part. TSM, nothing. Guys, I think today likely I won't take any trade now. Wow, today what happened to me? My God. RBXL. I think I got stop out for this already. Let me see. Yup, I got stop out already. Enough. Today enough for me now. What the? Yeah, seems like this month I cannot hit my 18% now. Right now I dropped back to about 14% for this month. Come on. How many more days to go? We only left today and tomorrow. FOMC, you have to, buck up, do a good job. Then after that, I can go back to 18%. RBXL, 122. Wow, this RBLX, really no luck with this stock. Same goes for what, Adobe, I also don't have much luck with that stock. Normally, I don't trade it. But the moment every time when I like it, it just doesn't perform. Possible ED. Yeah, I don't think this is the ED anymore. Yep, doesn't look like it. 2 loss, 1 draw. Really got some stock. I really got no luck with it though. Like every single time I trade them, it's garbage. SE also the same thing. I hate SE. SE is my worst trade ever. I don't think I will ever trade SE again. You see, you get a breakout, when I come back, take you out maybe for break even, then to know what is it going to do in this area. Okay, no risk, okay? Still a good month, 14% is still a good month. 加油 FOMC, I believe in you. Go back, okay? Go back to 18%. I will love you, Mark. Spy. What do you all think? FOMC later on, it'll go up or down? I think today I might stay up for the FOMC. Because today is like, the last 2 days of the month already. So in case I need to manage position or something, I can manage. If FOMC fly up and then I make about 18%, I'm out. I will get out everything. Close. Start again next week. Tomorrow no need work now. Okay, go sleep. Okay, go sleep, guys. Please teach me about Bitcoin, Mr. Bitcoin. What do you want to know about Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin, I can tell you likely. You see one more leg here before it starts to fire off. There's a very, very high probability it will do that. You got chip now. Can. Well, this few days, the trade all not very good though. But lucky we got trades that don't give us very very high RR. That's why our returns still maintain around the same level. Without those, maybe we drop back to 10% already. So now most importantly, we need Tesla to fire off. We need Google to fire off. Then everything will be good. Netflix is inside this zone though, but then I think there's still some more downside. Let's see. Oh, the next one is far. It's very, very far. Oh, I forget. Hazel sent a lot of chat. Okay. One moment, let me see. Uh, OXY, yep, all the oil stock needs one more leg. That one more leg, then everything will be done perfect. Yeah, one more leg. Okay, all the energy is doing exactly the same thing. So take one or two of them will do. Okay, that stock what something about Philips one. That one is not a valid one. Let me see what else we have. PPL. PPL looks not bad. PPL looks good. PPL, eh? Okay, when is the earnings? Cannot leh, sister. Earnings tomorrow leh. After market open. This one skip lah. Skip. It looks good, but then the moment tomorrow market open, it can go everywhere. Okay, let's see next one. LNT. Okay, LNT. Yeah, this way until next week, it will be a little bit more difficult to trade. There's too much earnings already. But at least next week will be better because most of the big names they have already announced their earnings. And then next week we won't have much news event or economic event if I'm not wrong. Let's see next week. Yeah, next week is a quiet week, okay? So next week will be fantastic. This week is difficult, too much data already. Even I myself, I'm also confused. LNT, okay, looks quite good. Okay, this stock you need to have some patience. It moved quite slow though. Yeah, it's actually not bad, but wait, one moment. Okay, not bad. Okay, I think we wait a little bit more for this stock. LNT. Is it correct? Oh, yes, correct. Martin, something about Martin. MLM. When is earnings again? Okay, 1 week. This MLM looks okay, like not bad, and it moves quite fast as well, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's a little bit choppy. The price action is a little bit choppy, but then it doesn't look slow. Okay, something that I can add into my watch list. Let's see. MLM. Next. APPN. Okay, Hazel, I know what you mean, but then this right, I would advise you to wait a little bit. This triangle, it looks weird lah. It looks weird. Yeah, if you let me see 1 hour. How about daily? Yeah, I would advise you to wait. This one possibly right is a downside triangle. It's not for upside, so be careful. Maybe I can set the alarm over. Okay, if we are looking, I know you want to look for long, right? So maybe I just set above around this candle. So if it gets triggered, maybe you can dive down to 5 minutes or something, try to find an entry. But currently on the daily, it looks like a downside triangle though, more than upside. You look at either side. I think this one is a downside triangle. Can, no worries. This one, I think likely, if you see consolidation here, this one looks like a good shot though. Yeah, maybe can try to short to about $26 around there. Yes, no worries, Hazel. Well, whatever you see, you can just send in. Then after we can all check together. Wait, let me see this. B, C, D, E. Yup, correct. All the energy stock, we need one more leg. That one more leg only. So maybe it will come next week. Boom, B, U, and what NVTS. Daily. Okay, sure. This is the stock that try to be careful. Possibly, this area you'll see some consolidation, then you'll start to dump again. It's quite possible. Something similar to, wait, let me expand my chart. Where's the part? Okay, here. Something similar to this. But I'm not too sure whether you'll get like, what, how big is this? I don't know whether you'll get this huge and big impulse or not. This one I'm not sure. Yeah, this one looks a little bit like the BGL. So after a while, you just consolidate, dump, consolidate, then it starts dumping like that. Yeah, just be careful on this. NVTS. Weekly. Okay, earnings next Monday, Looks like it's pulling back as of right now, but then also needs to be a little bit more careful. You have earnings next Monday. So far, for the past 3 times, it beats earnings. And then, yeah, I also don't know whether it will go up or down. Yeah, and over here I have no idea what is it doing. Uh, I think you need to wait for a little bit more. But then because next Monday is also coming already, so if I were you, I'll give this a skip. PayPal. PayPal, I think downside. I really think downside. PayPal is a very I think this stock is quite cute. Okay, uh, a lot of times, right? After earnings, whether it beats earnings or not, this stock likes to dump. Then after when it dumps, it dump for quite a while. Yeah, if you just go back and look at the history of PayPal. So I'm also looking for downside. I get a consolidation, I will start to maybe short it, but I need more confirmation at this area first. Yeah, PayPal, because I have someone in my group, he trades PayPal all the time. So every single time he asks me what to do. Yeah, it has been many years, he has been asking me for many years. That's why PayPal, I do know that a lot of times after earnings, it will dump. PayPal. Yeah, PayPal, I think the business model, the competitive advantage is not really there anymore. Their charges are also a lot higher than the rest. Even I myself, right? I have my own website. I look at PayPal charges. I don't want to use them already. I use the Stripe instead. Okay lah, guys. I don't think the market will move a lot today until FOMC. Sophia. A lot of people like Sophia. I also like Sophie. Okay, not bad, not bad. Today showing signs of recovery is not bad. I will still give it another 2 days, 3 days before I will come back and see again. Because right now I buy now my stop loss is too wide though. I need a smaller stop loss. Sophie or Hood? Hood looks like it's going down, right? Let me see. Hey, no, it's going up again. Which one I will buy? Because I never trade Hood a lot, but recently it is super duper strong. And it has been going up like really mad that type. It's like another RBLX. If I like both, I will split my risk into half. Don't need to choose, just take both. Either one of it will definitely perform. Sophie, so far I myself I like Sophie a lot. I trade Sophie all the time, more than Hood. Uh, But if you are doing trading, I think it doesn't make much of a difference. You can just take both, just place a stop loss. Uh, okay. I think your name is called Nigel. I don't do wave count like that. I don't count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a very special way of using alert wave. The wave 5, right? If Sophie at wave 5, so you are saying that this is like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, right? And then what I can tell you is that if suddenly Sophie make new high, then after that, what you will do? You will delete your wave count. You'll say that right now you are still in wave 3, an extension of wave 3. And then this extension will keep going on again and again and again until it won't stop. So possibly, you'll relabel maybe here wave 1, wave 2, lower degree wave 1, wave 2, then possible this one wave 3, and then this one 4. Right now you are going for a lower degree wave 5 to complete wave 3 of a higher degree before you correct for wave 4. After that you go up for wave 5. That's why I don't label like that, because the moment you label like this, right, your wave count keep changing. Then after it will make your chart very, very messy. I know a lot of people put this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, although I use wave theory, but I don't do wave count like that. I have a very simple method, very, very simple. Yes, I have a FIP extension level that the hit rate is about 90%. It's very strong. That's why over here you will see some of the students, they call it the magic number. It's awesome. I can tell you, it's really, really awesome. As long as you know how to identify corrections, you will know where exactly the next impulse will go to. And the hit rate is really 90%. You don't have to count like just now I show you, like the part where you count this one 1, this one 2, then 3 or 3, then 4 like that. Right? You don't have to. You just use the FIP extension. All this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 internally, it will just develop by itself. It's amazing that type. That's why I never teach them how to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the wave count keeps changing. It change non-stop. Then a lot of people, they will say extension of this, extension of that, waste of time. I don't know how to tell you, because I have been doing this for quite a while. And then let me go to trading view, then I show it to you why I don't do that. Where's the ideas? How do I search again? Sorry, I need to. Oh, here. Search function is here. Alert. Wait. Yeah, you can look at something like that. You see they have so many degrees of wave. So when will this complete though? Is my wave theory is very different. When you come here, I can tell you 100% guarantee for sure, you don't put labelings like that. Because why? I teach you how to read corrective structures. Why read corrective structure? The reason is very simple. Because you know why? You just need to because a market move in either 3 or 5 wave structure, right? I believe, if you have some knowledge in alert wave. So market either move in impulse, a correction, a impulse. If not an impulse, a correction, an impulse, a correction, and then one more impulse. It's always a 3 or 5 way structure. So why you don't have to learn where the next impulse will go to, or do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave count? The reason is because I will give you a FIP extension. That FIP extension will tell you where the next impulse will go to. All you need to learn is to learn the correction, because if you can understand correction, you can catch the next impulse to the upside. It's as simple as that. So I spent 20 over lessons just to teach you how to read all this. It's amazing. I have been using this for more than 10 years already. Alert wave is something that is my main strategy. So whatever I add on, even I use SMC or that, is like a bonus to alert wave. Yeah, you can come and join us if you like to. Oh, okay, SMCI, can SMCI. SMCI, why you say that is unstable? Okay, earnings also coming soon next Tuesday. So if you have good profit, can secure already, my friend. If not, you wait until next Monday or something, secure your profit. Because I think likely it can go to maybe about 76.5 around there, or 77. But then that one will take quite a while to reach there though, because you also have earnings, right? Earnings, it can go either direction. So if you have good profit, secure first. No problem. Hello, Cherry. Nice to see you again. Cherry is coming in already. You're coming in, right? Friday. You are coming in. Okay. Nice, nice. MU. Yes, it's creeping up slowly, but I will still wait. Because right now, even if I take the trade here, the RR is not. It won't be good because the stop loss is too wide already. So I will wait for a little bit before I will pull the trigger. And tonight we got FOMC. So right now all the FOMCs are very, very important. Okay, sure. You will get a nice opportunity. Your RR will be quite good. QBTS. Yeah, no rush. Okay, don't have to catch the total bottom. In between, there will be very nice structure for you to catch very, very good trades. QBTS. Okay, earnings next Thursday, huh? Yeah, this 1 or 2 weeks is going to be difficult to trade that time. Really difficult. There's too much earnings already. So after this earnings season is done, we will have another good, roughly about 3 months. It will be much more easier then. QBTS. I think you can wait. Maybe possible breaking this low before it starts to go. Yes, FTNT is weak. Luckily, we got out already the trade. Oh, yesterday there was a good shot. Also, earnings coming next Wednesday. My God, so much earnings. BBAI. BBAI. I think it's not done yet. It's not done yet. Just wait for it to come to about maybe 570. Possible 570 before you start to look for buy. Okay, guys, I will use the washroom and then I come back in about a few minutes, okay? See you shortly. Okay, I'm back. MVST. Hello, random. My friend. You're back in Singapore? Nice, brother. Nice. Yes, long time no see. My marketing director is back. You just came back to Singapore like now only, or if you just came back, you can go and rest. Later 2 a.m. we got FOMC. Come in, must get suit. When you're not here, they suit you every day. Expel him, please. Okay lah, give him a chance lah. He go holiday, So random, tell us, what do you do in Malaysia? Where did you go? Really? Fit to crocodile? Did he fit to crocodile? Force you, yeah lah. You cannot tell me this Hazel. She likes to gossip a lot, huh? She very keeper one. You don't tell her, huh? She'll force you until you tell her everything. 过来人 Yes, she also told me she 过来人 How do you manage to succeed or plan fail? Oh, really? Wow, congratulations. Congrats, my friend. Meantime, being grilled by Hazel. Okay lah. She your 姐姐 she can grill you. NVO. Okay, wait, WYNN. What you want to do to this? Oh my god, you send so many chats again. No. Hey, no problem. Okay, Hazel, I think your A needs to shift down. I think possible needs to shift down. Yup, definitely need to shift down. Shift to near to your blue color line. And then the C might not be done yet though. Simi 姐姐 No, 姐姐 as in, got life experience. Yeah, I also think that C will have more. I don't think it's done yet. No. Same age, not the age, It's the experience. I never talk about age, okay? Why his brain like immature? Oh, wow, random. This one, you need to slap her now. Cannot. NVO, wow. What happened to NVO? Uh, Earnings next Wednesday. Oh, downgrade. Okay. Oh, downgrade from 700 to 375. This is like half. My God. Why downgrade so much? Oh, huh? Insulin? Insulin I thought is for diabetes. So Nova, I don't know what's this stock lah. But then this is a healthcare stock. Really? Sure, I will definitely not advise to catch the bottom. Possibly I can go down to $45. And then earnings also coming. Yeah, normally I will just skip it. Well, this downgrade is bad though. From here to here. This is like 28% drop in one day. My God. But it seems quite normal for this stock to do something like that. So possibly you might get some consolidation here soon. You think the world like flower and butterflies, yeah. And I also think that the world is like flowers and butterfly, but sometimes I meet toxic people. This one not diving, this one jump down the roof already. No parachute. Call me suicide. You need to trust everyone first. Then after that, after they break your trust, then you start to see them differently. Yes, I'm happy. Actually, I'm very happy to have all of you as my students. You all are very, very nice though. Really very nice, very hardworking. All I can say is very, very different because after the course started running, I can say I start to see things a little bit more different. The one that joins the group, you all are like, I can say like you all are driven, really driven. I see the speed that you all complete the course, the speed at learning, every day trying this and that, DM me, asking me about questions. It's very, very different, really different. Only one word, driven, really driven. DLLM. Those that don't know what is DLLM, y'all can go and do a Google search. Initially, I also didn't know what was that. Until Hazel every time type DLLM. Hazel is the toxic person. I also Cantonese, my friend. Only I can't speak. Yes, RBLX. So far, one draw, two losses. Yeah. Okay, don't go against it. Just buy. I learned my lesson now. Okay, for those of you are in Google, right? I think before FOMC, just shift your stop to under this low. I think it will be quite safe. Nvidia is strong though. Oh, Rick left last video lor. Okay. Nice, Rick. Rick, so far is your understanding better already? My god. Just now Mr. Williams said there was one more stock that will become the next AMD. Which one was it? Is it Marvel? Yeah, I think he talked about Marvel. But I think Mr. William is not here already. He went off. How come this trading view, why recently this earnings got this equal? Oh, okay. This one equal estimated date. I think it's the estimated date. Okay. And no. You're looking at any stocks or not? Yeah, guys, you all really can go ahead and play ML already. The market likely no movement all the way until FOMC. Really, no movement. Like it will just be around the same level. Yes, Marvel today went up a lot. I think is it because of news or what? Let's see. Marvel. Oh, no news, but not too sure what happened though. Yeah, something that got to tie with Microsoft. Oh, Nvidia going to all-time high again. Apple, nothing much here. Hey guys, you all can start first. No need to wait for me. But coin really wasted. Coin is like, why tomorrow earnings? Hopefully it doesn't, fire off too much. Possibly we still can get a trade. Bitcoin possibly breaking out soon. Crowd Crowd, I will leave it for a while. Crowd right now, it doesn't look like it's going to be done anytime soon though. Looks like more downside to come. Yeah, crowd I will be more careful. UNH UNH. Yeah, I still think possible coming to about 385 first. I don't think it will make new low though. Oh, it reported earnings again. Yesterday after market open. Okay, it missed earnings again, and then okay, a lot of several firms has cut their price target for UNH, ranging from about 290 to 350. 290 to 350. Oh, that's very bad though. 290 to 350 leh. 350 is just right here. Right here. No. I will not buy this stock, Raymond. UNH, I think you need to leave it out for quite a while. Unless, you want to try your luck or something, you can place a stop loss maybe at 248, 248.5 or something. It's like a position trade already. Yeah, this one can become the next SMCI though. Remember a few months ago or last year, SMCI tanked like crazy. And that fraud news, I'm also not too sure whether it's resolved already or it's still there. Yeah, just be careful on this. You see, it actually, after these earnings, it has been here all the way until the next earnings. It is like 3 full months though. Yeah, 3 full months of tanking down is okay, it will recover. But this stock, if you really want to take, if you're up for a risk, a small one, just place a stop loss under 248.5. 621. Definitely there were people, who bought at 621. That's why for us, whenever we need to take that loss, we take first. Yeah, don't hold it though. If you really bought at maybe 620 or something, this one tank all the way down, you're down like 66%. Is it? About 60%. Yes, you owe me blood. So even if you're using a cash account, you're doing long-term investment, you still need an exit plan. That's why over here, you see my long-term investment, all I have exit plan. I don't hold them for 5 years or anything. I tell you who is the worst one? The worst one, the worst person that will cry is the one who bought it in 2020. If you bought it in 2020, this stock went all the way up. For 5 years already, you don't want to exit. You drop all the way down. Yeah, 6 months, it drops all the way down to back to your entry. Then it's like you hold 5 years for nothing though. Raymond want to play with fire. He wants to buy UNH. Oh, today I'm damn tired. Why? I forget to take supplement or what? I support. So Hazel, you'll be buying? You're buying now? Yes, Richard, FOMC coming. Market not moving. Needs 2 a.m. 2 a.m. I think tonight I will stay up a bit later. Need to manage some positions. Then after that, see how it goes. Hopefully, the market will fly up again. Flying up will be good. Shit, this Hazel, I support but no margin. The next Mr. William. Tell me a big story about Marvel. Then after that, tell me he don't speculate for earnings. APV. Uh, yeah, I think Mr. William also like this stock a lot. Yeah, normally Powell always give those politically correct answer. Yeah, that's why I don't think the market will react quite harshly unless surprise he cut interest rate this time round. I think the market will be in a shock for a while. But I really don't think he will cut because they already say, right, the very first one should be likely coming in September. Yes, Wingstop. Random, your Wingstop fired off already though. Earnings. Free, oh, fantastic. Yes. Your Wingstop. Good lah. Very good that you can read this chart so well. Congratulations, my friend. It's a good trade. Just that because of earnings, earnings what can we do? I think it went up 20% at this earnings. Yes, 20%. So imagine if you speculate earnings and you're wrong. 26%, my friend. You're going to die so badly. Yeah, I also think unlikely. The sentiment for cutting rates is very, very low. I did a check. It's like 97-98% says that he won't cut interest rate. Normally, he also won't anyhow talk. This guy is also quite smart. If not, he cannot be the Fed chairman. Yeah lah, you all support Wingstop for so much for what? You see now, earnings spike 26%. Support Starbucks ma. Starbucks now drop like crazy. Is it dropping? Yes, dropping. Okay, time to change really. Don't support Wingstop. Go Starbucks. DD. Let's see. Not done. Hey, this penguin. No, not penguin. This crypto is retracing also. Oh yes, we can take a look at BTM, huh? BTM doesn't look like it's ready though. But at least this one, the earnings is okay, quite far away. Yeah, it's a crypto stock, but then yeah, not ready. You eating some Wingstop? You like that Wingstop so much, ah? I think this is like the second time you eat it, oh. Oh, yesterday got discount. Okay, Shiro, one moment, huh? One moment. Next time you try, okay? You go into Wingstop, you tell them I'm also a shareholder of the company. I will eat for free. Then you show them your account. You see, I have shares in the company. I'm your boss, okay? You better give me all the free food. Okay, BE. What is BE? Aya, you go Malaysia, enjoy. Where got time to buy stock? Random, you got buy or not? Wingstop. If you buy, wow, congrats, man, my friend. BE. This one earnings tomorrow after market close. I also don't know how to buy this. It looks good, okay? Looks like a uptrend stock. Definitely looks nice. But earnings, my friend. After it move up so much, I don't think the earnings will go anywhere. You know, gapping up another 10%, I also think it's quite difficult. Another 10% will be quite a lot though. Yeah, about $40. Maybe possible. Yeah, just now we saw one stock, right? Earnings drop or fly up 26%. Oh, Wingstop. Yeah, so imagine if you speculate already, then after Wingstop didn't perform well. Just imagine it doesn't perform well. 26% down. You're gonna hurt so badly though. So yeah, 26%. This stock can drop until $217 from about 295. It drops all the way until $217. So dead, man. Yeah, you can only hold through earnings if you are doing, like investment in stocks, and then must use a cash account. For my cash account, I do hold them over earnings. I don't really care about, whether it's up or down, because I know after a few more months the earnings will definitely guide the stock even higher. But if you are doing trading like what we are doing over here, it's super duper dangerous. Yes, Rick, is actually quite possible, huh? But then right now we can't really tell. Most importantly, I think is later after FOMC. After FOMC, I think that will be the decision making point already. So I will still wait for a little bit more. Then I will decide whether I want to short it or not. Well, I think worse than 0 DTE. Okay, SPY is dropping already, huh? Guys, SPY is dropping. QQQ also dropping. Yeah, Tesla, I will just hold it. Huh? Just place a stop loss there and then see what it does. There goes my 16% this month. Now I left with 13% plus. Oh yeah, I thought I can hit 18%. But guys, really need to prepare hard, need to brace the next 2 months. Next 2 months, there's a very high chance it can be quite difficult to trade. Tell my company to change all HP laptop to Dell tomorrow. Change to Asus. Change to MSI. Yes, ask them all change to, Dell, Alienware. OSCR. Sure, I notice you have a lot of this type of stock. Are you inside them or you are trying to buy? Wednesday, yes, next Wednesday, market open, we're going to report earnings. I think likely more downside for this stock for now. Oh, you're looking to buy. Okay. I thought you are inside. Because I do receive a lot of TikTok message like, they DM me, they tell me they jam inside this stock, that stock, what should they do, things like that. So I'm not too sure whether you are also jammed inside or not. Okay, this one definitely needs. I think this stock IREN. I think you need to wait at least 2 weeks. 2 weeks before there will be an answer whether you can start buying or not. Okay. Sophie. Oh, earnings. It was Yesterday, if I'm not wrong, yesterday, yes, yesterday, earnings after market open. So it just, spike up after that. Uh, Yesterday when market open, when it reports earning, it just dump. Yeah, sometimes earnings you also see that. I think we saw that on Google as well. If you go back to Google, you see Google is also something like the same thing. Over this area, market close here, earnings is spike down, spike up. After that, it starts to dump again. Before right now, it looks like it's going to go off one more time. Sophie, yeah, for now I will still wait. Wait for another 2-3 days. 2-3 days will be the picture will be a bit more clear. Yes, yes. If you're speculating earnings, right? Normally, if the let's say for example, market close here, right? Let's say market close maybe here, and then you know that the next day is earnings, right? If I get this huge spike, I close your low, I close everything pre-market or something. But once in a while, the moment you close it, you'll meet something like what was that stock? Disney. Yes, Disney. Disney is one stock that I went to speculate earnings because I have very, very good profits already. So I went to speculate, right? That's when Disney just doesn't stop though. Okay, you can see, right? Disney, it closes in at this candle, and then after earnings, you see it just keep going and going and going. So once in a while, you do see stocks like that. So it was what I did is, you know, the previous day it closed here after earnings it spiked to here. I think I took off 50%. Then the rest I took off here. And then look at what happened to Disney. It just keeps going. But a lot of times you don't see this. This one is like extremely rare. Use the most often one that you see is usually like, can we find one or not? Something like that, even if it's very, very strong, right? Spike up already, you get a little bit of pullback. Just go up a little bit more before it starts to pull back. This is like the consider strong already. Yes, normally you will have some sort of recovery first. It's extremely rare that that you see the after earnings the stock just move like that. Even if you go back to Nvidia is such a strong stock, right? You also don't see that. You don't see that very often. Like, where can we find one? Yeah, Nvidia also has one that's extremely strong. So here, right, market close around here. After earnings, it just keeps going, 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 and going. But most of the earnings, you really don't see that. This one, another one. After earnings, it just keep going up. Yeah, the common ones are like that. Just spike up, after that recover a bit before it starts to go. But this one is, the other direction. Spike up, down, recover, and then starts to dump. But Nvidia, not bad, Okay, this one is normal. This one is normal. After earnings, you get a huge spike after it just consolidate before it starts to go. Hello, my friend. Every time I see what's up, punk, I remember you. You are not my real life friend, right? You just happen to use that name. Okay lah, guys. Today we stream until 11:30. Okay, because today I'm so tired though. I don't know what did I do today. I think I had a long day, so I almost want to KO already. Genuine. Do you think it is possible to earn 2K daily from intraday trading? Possible, bro. It's really possible. If your account is about 300, 500,000, I don't think it's much of an issue. Unless you say, your account is smaller in size, 2,000 a day might be a little bit difficult. Because imagine you got you have a 200,000 account lah. And every day, right, you try to make about 1%. So it's doable. It's not like, ambitious goal. Unless you are very, very good, definitely doable. Eh? Today I went out very early. I think last night I also slept quite late. And then I forgotten this morning I got an appointment with my client. So I rushed there. I rushed all the way to Katong. And then I was there for a very, very long time, maybe 4 hours or something. Then when I came back home, I have a problem. I have an issue to solve. I can't remember what was that issue. Yeah, it's regarding my business. One of the customers were making noise, so I was trying to solve that issue. Then evening, what did I do again? I think evening I started to KO around 6 o'clock. I went to sleep for a little bit, and after that, I go and play with my baby for 1 or 2 hours before I come to live stream. Yeah, last night I also, playing games with the students, and then I totally forgotten this morning I have an appointment. Luckily, I set my alarm. Oh, we play Mobile Legend. You want to join or not? Why? Come lah, join us. The students here are pro, man. They carry me. Really, really pro. There's a pro marksman, there's a pro mage, and there's a pro jungler. Fuyo. But Dota cannot. Dota, I look at the gameplay 1 hour, 2 hours, that type. Am I right? It's so long though. I play game, normally I play like maybe 30 minutes by myself. I already want to stop. Yeah, 1 hour is too long. It's really, really too long. Then my type is, doing the... Okay, morning and afternoon, I play halfway. Maybe I need to answer call, reply message. Then at night when I play, I want to look at charts, maybe manage my position. So my heart is like not here, not there. I even play game with the students, right? Then they saw me going to take trades. In the middle of a match, I go and take trades. Dota can pause me? It's a multiplayer game, right? How to pause? Really? Really? Can pause? People, of course, you're playing a multiplayer game. You go and pause the game, people won't be happy, right? If me, you pause my game, I also won't be happy. I go and unpause. Now people will wait for me when I hang my clothes. Rick, you mean Dota or what? Dota is 5v5 or what? Yeah, because I saw on YouTube, then every time when I look at the video, right, like one video only, I look, 1 hour, 2 hours, that time, why so long? Same like Mobile Legend. Mobile Legend I play, sometimes the game goes up to 20 minutes. I also feel it's very long though. I want to quit though. Because normally for myself, I don't play, what type of game is this called? MOBA or something, right? Yeah, normally I play those FPS like Call of Duty, so you can just quit anytime. Oh, Japan tsunami. Okay. Wow, this Japan, every August got Black Swan event. Hey, Nikkei, how to spell? I spell wrongly. Nikkei. This Nikkei champion #1. Every year the August is a Black Swan event, is it? Hey, when you going? Hazel, when you going? Got extra ticket or not? 8 August. Okay lah, you take care. You know how to swim or not? If not, go and learn how to swim first, okay, before you go. Hey, really? This Japan, this Nikkei, every August, Black Swan event. Every August, I check already. I'm checking right now. Every August, it hang. Where's the next August? Okay, the only good August is 2020. Wow, serious. Every August, Black Swan event. Where's another August? Okay, this August not bad. 2018 not bad. No. 2018 also tank. 2017 Oh, 2017 is the only time I think. How come this Nikkei don't have August here? September. Where suddenly June? Where is August? What happened to Nikkei this period? Where is the August? Why June then suddenly September? Well, looks like every single time for Nikkei, the moment it hits August, it starts to tank. Oh, Black Swan event is like, a big news or a big event that suddenly just abruptly moved the market by a lot. It's like an unexpected event. Like a little bit like, tariff, the very, very first time Donald Trump announced this sweeping tariff. That one is also something like a Black Swan event. Nobody anticipated that. And then just out of a sudden, he just announced it. Raymond, take care. Learn how to swim. Raymond know how to swim. Okay, so no problem. Take care, my friend. Buy something, come back for me, okay? Oh, okay. Reddit and Mara. You know, this one once in a lifetime experience that not many people get to experience though. Reddit, okay, Reddit looks nice. It looks nice. But then the same thing also because of earnings. Earnings tomorrow after market close. Ah, yeah, no trade already, no trade already. I will look for upside buy. I will skip it for now. Mara. Yeah, this one try one time, no more second time. Mara, I think is going down though. Also same thing, earnings. Earnings over liao. Earnings, okay, it beats earnings, but then it starts to drop. No signs of recovery. Bad news. Maybe more downside. Possibly more downside. Yeah, but is the tsunami very bad or not? We can do a bit of search, huh? Mm. Hey, hey, wrong. Latest. Stop. Oh, this is bad. 8.8 is super duper strong though. My god. Wow, 8.8 is very strong. Still, tsunami. This one is earthquake, is it? This one is for earthquake. How they measure tsunami? No idea. Yeah, but I think 8.8 is very strong. My god. Three to 4 meter. This one for Russia. But then oh is triggered by earthquake. Okay. Okay, earthquake, huh? Uh, yeah, guys, you see, 8 or greater is a super duper powerful earthquake. Hopefully the people there they are okay. This is bad. Geographic class. We can go and read a little bit and then see how's the stock market reacting. But then you look at Nikkei, like no impact, right? You sure got earthquake or not? Like you see, no impact. So that means Japan almost every August got something happen to them. Give you are. This one looks like what wave? Okay, need to do verification now. This one. Sea wave. You are really look at this. Aiyo, poor thing, you know. All become water. I cannot swim. This one you can only YOLO once and that's it. How to swim? Impulse sea wave to the moon. Good job, guys. Congratulations. Yes, after the retracement, you know, the wave retrace already. Got one huge move again. You are very creative people. I like it. My group all become like a talk cock group, you know. But I like you guys. Very, very fun. Okay lah, guys. Hit target now, okay? Any more last question? We can go non now. Later 2 a.m. come back FOMC. 2 a.m. right? We double check again. Yes, 2 a.m. And then you still need to stay awake until 2:30, okay? Around there. Until 2:40 or something. Any last questions, my friends? If not, we go non. After that, we just monitor FOMC. If you have good profit, try to, move your stop losses. If you don't have any positions, it's good. Just stay out. Next week, come back again. This week is too volatile. Can, Raymond. No issue. Take your time, brother. Okay, guys. I will see you tomorrow in live stream, okay? Well, today I'm very tired. I want to die already. Okay? See you. Good night. Bye-bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.